You hear the birds in the rain. It's cold out here. I should have grabbed a jacket. Let's turn that up. Crank it up. That's how cold it is right now, actually. I didn't get no jacket, I'm tripping. 39 degrees outside. Turn that heat on. Let the truck warm up. Looks like we won't be cleaning the truck today. Raining. I think it's supposed to rain all weekend, so we're gonna have to wait a few days before we clean the truck. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Let the truck warm up. Let me get warmed up. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A. See what else we'll get into today. Custom brake pedal. Custom gas pedal looking crazy. Like that. We slide and we almost at the Chick-fil-A. We swinging in the rain. Ain't trying to get copyright. We got the music now. Got somebody out there cleaning in the rain. Way to be getting paid double. Catch y'all in a minute. I gotta scan this QR code. You already know what's going on. Chick-fil-A really ain't popping yet. On a Saturday, nobody trying to get out, I guess. They're about to bring my food out though. Got a car behind, or 2 cars behind me actually. That's about it. Ain't nobody in front of me. Yes, had to turn that heat down though. Had me in here cooking, boy. Y'all let me know y'all watched that video yesterday. On Valentine's Day, I installed these pedals down here. I got the ambient lighting all in here, all in the back. Y'all let me know what you want to see next. Or what you guys want to see more of on the channel. I don't know what upgrade or mod I'm going to order next. I'm going to do some research. Didn't upload the video yesterday. Didn't really have much going. I did get Raising Cane's though. I didn't record it. Still raining. Sunday. Good morning, YouTube. We're gonna drop the video today. We gotta run up the road. Sunday. Let me know what y'all be doing on Sundays. Gotta finish some laundry today. Bae's still in there asleep. She's sleeping in. It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. She's still asleep. We're gonna run some errands when she gets up, but I gotta go ahead and take care of a couple things this morning. Catch y'all in a minute when I get on the road. Ooh, Bae sounds so good. I went in there and changed my laundry out. She's up now, so we're about to go ahead and get active, get these errands done. Big Hemi. I dropped the power steps on it. She looking real mean right now. Big Ram truck. Top of the morning. You know what's going on. Yeah, so she's in there getting ready. I went in there and changed my laundry out. She was up. So we about to run to the Kung Fu Boba. We about to run to the store and stuff, get a couple errands done. Like I said, I didn't drop that vlog yesterday. Really didn't have much going on. I just went on a Chick-fil-A run. Actually went and got Raisin Cane's at like 4:30. Yeah. I came back home and chilled. Watched some Kill Tony. Y'all watch Kill Tony or anything? Let me know what y'all be watching. Any TV shows? I'm on the season 4, episode 4 of Power. We're on episode 8 on Landman. If y'all have ever seen that, it's something new on Paramount Plus. Y'all let me know, man. Truck looking crazy right now, even though it's dirty. Got the power steps down. Ram LED. Stainless steel pedals. Looking crazy right now. Need to clean the truck out. Catch y'all in a minute, man. Where's she at? The rear cam up. Shit. She's coming out that door. Know what's going on. Sun really ain't even out. I ain't about to pop no shades on. Actually, I might have to. Sun's starting to peek through the mountains. Knoxville, Tennessee. Good morning, top of the morning. 9:12, she still ain't out here. Oh, here she comes. Slime bag. That boba place was closed, wasn't it? What time they open?
You know where I want to go?
Huh?
I want to go to games.
What do they got there?
I want to see if they have any like kitchen items. Because I got a bunch of stuff at work on hold. And I want to see if they have like some in the fridge.
Thought we had the police back there behind us. I got that thing on tilt right now. It ain't raining right now. Some Starbucks.
It doesn't open till 11.
Coffee. The boba.
Yeah.
Minty iced chai latte with a certain amount of pumps of vanilla, and that's about it.
2 pumps of vanilla.
Alrighty, and then is that all for you?
And then let me get the bacon and Gruyere egg bites.
Oh, I'm sorry, is that the bacon egg bites?
Yeah.
We in Target with it. Can't make this up. The only bag they got left for the cat food is ripped open, though. That's crazy. We're over here at the Walmart.
It's the only bag
Just
of
give them
cat
that.
food that we need.
Yeah.
There's other bags.
Oh, what about this kind? Let's see what they're like.
Don't get a big bag of it.
I think they'd like that. What flavor is this?
It's chicken fried. They've been getting that lamb since we came here. Let's hit them up with that chicken this time. Dog treats. bad dogs. They don't deserve no treats. I'm kidding. Well, parked next to another Ram truck. Got everything loaded up back here, plenty of room. Side by side Ram truck. Should have dropped my power steps down. So cold out here. That was spare tissue at the Sam's. Yeah. What am I gonna get tea? What am I gonna get tea? And it's popping over here at the Sam's Club, ain't it? Yeah, I'm going with Culver's. Good old Culver's. Whoa, this dude right here, what, jaywalking? I'll let him go by though. Good person. Culver's, 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 Culver's. Pull up in Big Blue. Yeah, why, buddy? Oh, what? Close. They try to close up shop on me over here.
Look how windy.
Look up through the moonroof on them. Look how windy it is outside. Sound on me.
Hi, which one is beyond? We can make right for you.
Yeah, can I get the double butter burger with just bacon, pickles, and lettuce on it, no cheese? Large fry, large Dr. Pepper, and barbecue, please. Barbecue sauce.
Gotcha. What else for you?
That should be it, homie.
All right. What's a good name for that order?
Jacob. 105. Yes, Sasky. Bad secure. Season 1, episode 10, Landman. We chilling the rest of the day. Y'all let me know what shows y'all be watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Appreciate the support. We out.